Hey Mark, I know you wanted some audio of the actual exhaust itself. I want to make sure I gave that to you, as well as the action shot of Thunderstroke driving down the street. We can make that happen. Yeah, I'll go ahead and give you the audio. And then please ignore the bird poop here. It's a funny story, but yes, there is bird poop on my car. It just happened right now. Anyhow. And then Brooke, if you can, get the shot from the back. And actually get close to the exhaust so you can kind of hear it.
Okay.